Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your G HUB application isn't detecting your Logitech G316X keyboard. In such situation, try simply reinserting the cable into your keyboard. This might refresh your program and you might actually be able to see your keyboard from now on within the G HUB. If not, try restarting your PC. If you have just installed the application, then maybe you need to apply some of the drivers, like the keyboard firmware that you installed after the first installation, and this requires a PC restart. After your PC is restarted, if you still cannot see your keyboard on the screen, try reinstalling the G HUB application. Now, to show how to do this, let me switch to the main screen. So as you can see, I can actually see my keyboard here, but if you have some sort of an issue with your keyboard displaying, first of all, we want to make sure that the app is fully closed. Right click your taskbar, select Task Manager, and search for LG HUB applications here. If you find some, right click and task. The same for LG HUB Agent and Updater and Logic Game Launcher. Okay, now once every app is closed, we're gonna have to open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Now open this menu, find your G HUB in this place, click the three dot icon right here, click Uninstall, confirm. If you want to save your current settings, also hit this checkbox. Uninstall. The settings are only related to your current presets and lighting modes you have on your keyboard, as well as some language settings and interface settings within the application. Okay, so once the app is uninstalled, let's reinstall it by running the setup file once again. Okay, so here we simply have to click install one more time and wait until this app is fully installed. The entire process, as you probably know, is automatic. And after that, your program should start discovering your keyboard. But if it's still not, you can manually check for updates by clicking this gear icon in the top right corner. Go into Updates and check in for Software Update. If you don't get any, then you don't have any. And if you're still having issues with your keyboard, try restarting your PC once again, and after this, your G HUB will start recognizing your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.